Kraksalo ICFAI University of khlaijakha new base students no Lamsukmani Panda Novatos-2024 Panda wanarwai okra angui manjaka hastini montra okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha manjaka ICFAI University ni Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Biplab Haldar Bisiburum-burum ni haike taklaibo ICFAI University wa Khlaijakha Kotal student fine rokno Lamsukmani Panda Novatos-2024 Panda wa narwai okra angui manjaka hastini montra okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha Ashale Panda wa hastini montra okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha thangu shogoika NCC cadets rok Guard of Honor rwai lamsogina harka Ashale Panda wa ICFAI University ni Kotal student rokno lamsogina harka hastini montra okrate ICFAI University ni Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Biplab Haldar Panda wa welcome speech narokha Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Biplab Haldar aboni yagolokok narokha hastini montra okra Professor Dr. Manik Shaha
and all the faculty members, students, guardians, and the officials and media personnel. At the outset, I would like to give my sincere thanks to the organizer who have invited me, particularly this Vice Chancellor, that invited me to come over here and stand before you. I was just before coming on the bus, we were discussing that in the northeastern region, ICFAI University, there are about five universities. But I was asking that which one is the best. So he proudly, and our other faculties were there, they also said that we are the best. So it is very good to hear it. And he also said that there are number of ICFAI universities across the country, and this is the supposed to be the second best ICFAI university out of all the ICFAI universities across the country. You know, about 2 years back I came here for some sports event. That time also I saw. I could understand that this university ultimately will be a very big university, because I have seen and I have tested I feel the tip of the iceberg, you know. So I could understand and imagine. And today when I came, I realized that really it's a good university. The time was there when in Tripura there was not a single university. We were under Calcutta University. We studied under the Calcutta University, and later on Tripura University started, and that also now converted into Central University. Now we have with us this MBB University from government level, and there are some other universities. Now they have also come up, like if you exclude ICFAI University, there are other universities also, like Aryabhat International University, Techno India University, Dhamma Adipa International Buddhist University, Mata Tripura Sundari Open University, then Central Sanskrit University, it is very nearby from your place, Ekalubbo campus, then National Forensic Science University, National Law University, NLU University in Tripura. Now imagine, under the leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister, always there is development. He always says that without the development of Northeast, the country cannot develop. So that we have now feel and we have seen. And the name also you have given Novatos. When I saw this word, I was a bit confused. What is this? So it is written here that the term Novatos is inspired by the astronomical phenomena of Nova, a brilliant star that shines brightly before embarking on a new journey. That is your program, the newcomers who have come here in this university. I welcome you all And our Vice Chancellor already have mentioned that your journey started from the school level to this university. Usually you start from the college. Now you have entered the university. So that's good. And already mentioned there are so many curriculum already in this university.
Romantic performances, engaging
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.
আপনার স্বপ্নের গাড়ি কেনার সেরা সুযোগ এসে গেছে। দুর্গাপুজো এবং দীপাবলি উপলক্ষে ত্রিপুরা এবং বরাক ভ্যালির জৈন উদ্যোগের সকল ব্রাঞ্চে এই বছরের সবচেয়ে বড় অফার চলছে। আগামী 30শে অক্টোবরের মধ্যে মারুতি সুজুকি নেক্সা, আরিনা এবং কমার্শিয়াল গাড়ির ডেলিভারি নিলেই লাকি ড্রয়ের মাধ্যমে একজন ভাগ্যবান পেয়ে যাবেন সম্পূর্ণ ফ্রি একটি মারুতি ওয়াগনার। বিশ্বাস হচ্ছে না, কিন্তু এটাই সত্যি। এক্ষুনি আসুন এবং আপনার পছন্দের মারুতি গাড়ি কিনুন। সাথে পেয়ে যান আরেকটি নতুন ওয়াগনার জেতার সুবর্ণ সুযোগ। এমন দারুণ সুযোগ মিস করবেন না। স্টক সীমিত, তাই আর দেরি না করে আজই চলে আসুন আপনার নিকটবর্তী জৈন উদ্যোগ শোরুমে।